Hi, Jack here from Easytint. In this video, we're going to show you how to tint a roll-down window using the two-stage method. The vehicle we'll be tinting today is a Land Rover Defender 90, and we're going to tint the two front windows. So first, you're going to grab your spray bottle with your slip solution, your scrub pad, both found in the Ultimate Tinting Toolkit on our Fitting Tools section. You're going to spray the interior of your window and scrub with your scrub pad. You're going to slightly roll your window down to get the top edge cleaned, scrubbing in all the rubber seals, top end and in the middle. Once you've scrubbed the centre of your window, you're going to grab your contour squeegee, also found in the Fitting Tools kit, and you're going to go down each rubber seal to ensure you are eliminating any debris. Again, rolling your window up to assure you are getting right down to the bottom of those seals. Next, you're going to grab your handled squeegee, working from the front of the window, pushing all excess water towards the back edge. Remembering to roll your window up to get in to the bottom of the glass. Once you've pushed all the excess water towards the back, you're going to grab your conqueror squeegee, get to the top of the window in that seal, pushing the remaining water down. Repeating the same process on the front, then rolling the window down to get to the top section. So once we've cleaned the inside of your window, we're going to come to the outside of the window, give it a spray. Grab your paper towel or microfiber cloth, wipe all surrounding areas, again cleaning the exterior of that window, ready to lay your tint down. Once that's done, back over with a spray and grab your pre-cut window. So we're going to grab your pre-cut film, lay it gently on the outside of the window and a spray over just to take that static away from the film. So next step, we're back on the inside of the window. We're going to give it one more spray, completely covering, flushing these edges. Grabbing your handled squeegee from the centre, we are pushing all the water towards the edge, eliminating any dust or debris that may have settled on the window. You're grabbing your conqueror squeegee, going down that rubber seal, clearing out all the excess water. Again, cover your window, as much soapy water as it takes. Flushing down here, completely covered, ready for applying the film. So for the application, we're going to come to the front. We're going to peel the clear liner from one corner, just spraying. And as we're peeling that liner, we're going to cover the glue side of the tint with your water. Now we're only going to peel the tint halfway down. And you want to let the excess clear backing liner sit sort of halfway. So we're going to grab one corner of the tint, peeling it back, to bring around to the front. You want to place your pre-cut pattern, sliding into position, assuring a nice tight edge to the top of your window. Now you're going to fold each corner up, like so, until you're happy with that top gap. So once you've slid your pattern into place, you want to leave the tiniest light gap on the top of your window. Any overlap risks getting caught when winding the window down. You want to grab your handled squeegee, gently push your water from the top of the film centre out to get that initial tack. You want to grab your conqueror squeegee to push all of the water out from that top corner. Once all your top edge is pressed down, to wrap your paper towel or microfiber cloth around your handled squeegee and really push that top edge. This just assures there's no remaining water that may creep down into your tint. Once this is done, we're going to hold this little flap with two fingers and we're going to roll that window up very gently. You're going to grab your spray bottle and just flush underneath that tint. We're then going to put one finger on the tint and slowly peel down that excess liner. Once you've peeled off that excess liner, you're going to grab this bottom corner and we're going to pull it diagonally. And we're going to slide that down beneath that seal. Repeating the same all the way across the bottom. We're then going to repeat the same step on the right hand side. Pulling back diagonally, sliding into position, pushing that tint down. Once you've got your tint nice and flat, it's tucked beneath that rubber seal. We give it another spray, your handled squeegee, and we're pressing down, dragging all of that excess water to the bottom of the window. Once all the water is flushed down to the bottom, we're grabbing our conqueror squeegee, again, into that rubber seal, pushing down, getting rid of all that excess water on the surrounding edges. Once you've removed all excess water, you're happy with your tint, you're wiping down all the surroundings. Nice clean area. That is how you tint a roll down window using the two-stage method.